Hi, property viewers, and welcome back to another property tour. And today I will be showcasing a two-story modern house with a clean and minimalist design dito sa BF Resort Village, Las Piñas City. So before entering, you have this horizontal black metal fence. It is securing your front property from end to end. Then before entering, as you can see, we have two gates, the pedestrian gate and the vehicle gate. And these are manual gates. Let's go. Before we enter the main house, so I would like to show you on this side, we have two car parking slots here. And this door, this is another access going to your main house. Then, maganda yung ano dito, meron tayong fluted panel. So, it's giving the house more accent. On this side, you have your utility area dito. So, this could be your dirty kitchen or your staff utility area. So this is a washing machine provision. Then as we move forward, this one is another access going to your main house, pero this will lead you to the kitchen. This one is a pwedeng staff quarter or pwedeng storage. Pero kapag staff quarter, they have their own toilet and bath doon. Actually, ang maganda sa property na 'to, yung main house, it is not attached to your perimeter wall. So, if ever mag-ikot tayo, sorry, disclaimer lang, siyempre itatanggal natin 'to 'pag when you purchase the property. So, medyo may kalat lang dito sa likod. Yun na nga ang maganda, hindi attached yung main property sa perimeter wall natin. Ikot po muna kayo before we enter the main house. So, balik tayo sa harap naman ngayon. Pagpasok natin sa main property, nung pumunta tayo sa right, so ito yung car slots, tapos leading you to the utility area. Then on this side naman, we have a mini landscape garden. Mas papagandahin nyo pa yung area dito sa harap. Then on this side naman, you have this covered na patio. So pwede nyo gawing outdoor area na lalagyan ng chairs and tables dito. And this will also lead you going to your main property. So, marami tayong access going sa loob ng house natin. And again, yung sa likod is yun yung pinakita ko kanina na merong tambak doon sa likod. So, if nakita nyo yung buong property dito sa labas, hindi talaga siya attached sa perimeter wall natin. Now, let's head to the main house sa loob para naman makita nyo na kung ano ba meron sa house na ito. Let's go! So, hi! This is the main door going to your house. Kasi baka naguluhan na kayo na ang daming pintuan dito sa house, but this is the main door talaga. And as we move forward, as you can see, this is a double height ceiling and maganda talaga yung pasok ng natural light because of this almost floor to ceiling na window glass dito with black frame, giving you this industrial look. And napaka mahangin or airy talaga dito sa house kasi walang nagko-cover and open talaga. Wala masyadong mataas na buildings dito sa side ng house natin. So, we have window glass here and as you can see, they use this marble style flooring. So, this is an open layout. Pumasok tayo, this could be your living area or your entertainment area. Your dining area here and your kitchen area over there. So, ito yung access going dito sa outdoor na covered patio. So, pwede nyo tong i-convert into an outdoor area na may tables and chairs or tea area or just a coffee area in the morning. Mas maganda to pag siguro ayusin natin yung garden para mas relaxing, di ba? This is another pwedeng staff quarter or another room for your family kasi maganda naman yung room and spacious naman siya. Pero siguro magkakasya dito is a double deck bed or a single bed. And then they have their own toilet and bath dito. So you have your sink, your water closet, and your shower area. And then they use dito, to save space, they use a sliding door or yung barn door. Then you have your closet naman dito. And then you have your own windows naman. On this side, you have your kitchen area. So this is an island type of kitchen. On this kitchen, dito yung sink sa gitna. This could be your prep table or breakfast nook. And then you have ample overhead cabinets dito. And then dito is provision for your stove or oven. And then malaki yung space dito ng countertop natin. So if you have multiple mini appliances, so at least nandito yung countertops natin. Then on this side naman, you have this overhead cabinets and your lower cabinets dito. And then ito, this is the door giving you an access dito sa staff quarter dito sa side. And dito naman, it is going to the utility area and your parking area. Now, let's head to the second floor naman. But before we go there, on this side, meron tayong accent dito. And then, meron tayong understairs na storage or your shoe cabinet. So, maganda yung idea na to na you maximize the space dito sa may stairs. So now, let's go to the second floor. Dito naman sa may mezzanine area, you have this accent wall or they installed the fluted panels here. It's giving you this modern and minimalist na style talaga. And then, if nakita nyo, on the ground floor, di ba, they use this marble style of flooring. Dito naman, they use a laminated flooring naman. On this floor, you have 3 bedrooms. But before we go to the primary, I'll show you the other rooms muna. So this is bedroom number 1. Upon entering, you have this spacious room. You have your window here. And then meron tayong closet naman dito on this side. So you have ample closet here. So napakalaki niya. So hindi kayo problema to store your clothes and other stuff. And then on this bedroom, you have your own toilet and bath. So they also use this sliding door or barn door. And then you have this spacious bathroom with cubbyholes here, your water closet here, your shower area, and your sink. All rooms here comes with a toilet and bath. Now let's head to the next bedroom. This is the primary bedroom because this is the biggest bedroom dito sa house na to. You have this really spacious na room with a closet or built-in closet here or an built-in cabinets here. So dito pwede mo ilagay yung TV nyo or maybe doon sa front. So depende na sa inyo kung paano nyo gusto i-layout yung room na to. And you have your vanity area here or pwedeng working area. Then you have your own toilet and bath. So ganun yung mga basic fixtures pa rin natin. You have this water closet, floating sink, and your shower area. Then dito sa whole na second floor, laminated flooring yung gamit natin. Now let's head to the last bedroom naman. But before we go there, you have this small space, common area on the second floor. This could be your entertainment area. And then, meron tayong mga cubbyholes dito na pwede tayong maglagay ng mga decorations or maybe install also a flat screen TV here. Across doon sa shelf, you have this black metal railings and you have this lighting fixture. And then, napaka-aliwalas because of this black frame windows dito sa almost ceiling na. Kaya, if napansin nyo kanina yung lighting natin napakaganda because of this black frame na from floor to ceiling yung height. Now, let's head to the last bedroom or the third bedroom. Ang maganda dito sa last bedroom is meron siyang balcony. So, yun yung pagkakaiba nila sa other 2 bedrooms na pinakita ko kanina. This bedroom, you also have your own bathroom and shower area. So you have your sink, your water closet, and your shower area. Then you have this small area here or corner. You have this closet here and then pwede tong vanity area or your working area. So pakita lang natin na meron talagang balcony. And napakatahimik nung area na to. So, tingnan nyo. This is facing sa front ng street. Napaka, pag ako yung titira dito, gusto ko dito. Dito yung bedroom ko kasi may balcony. Napaka-presko yung room na to. Though, lahat naman ng area dito is napaka-airy and maganda yung light. So, yun lang. Let's go sa ground floor again. So, that's the full tour of this house. Again, this is located in BF Resorts Village in Las Piñas City. And if you want to know more details and for property viewings, just contact us through our contact details provided in the description box below. Again, this is your host, the Realtor M, and see you on our next property tour.